Hello and welcome to this April 16th, 2010 video version of InvestEd Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, InvestEd Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. I do want to remind you that on our Chart of the Day page we do have a link for a special leveraged ETF presentation that I will be hosting on Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern. You are invited, and if you join the our Market Plus service, we have a special where you can join for $9.95, which is 50% off the normal price, and you get the hour-long presentation on Tuesday as well. So it's a really great offer. If you trade juiced ETFs, I think you'll get a lot out of it. There's more information on our website, so check that out. We're doing something a little different. We haven't talked about shorting in a while, but I tell you, the last 2 days we have seen some of the most outrageous complacent readings on the equity-only put-call ratio. Everybody in this market, especially the options traders, believe this market's going to go higher, that it can't go lower. And when you start seeing record-type readings on consecutive days, that's when you know it's probably time to at least be thinking about the alternative to going long, which is going short. So we're going to go ahead and just feature one that looks like it might be ready for a little bit of a reversal in the near term. The bulls have been, a very resilient bunch, and they're going to need to be based on what we're looking at here on this chart. But take a look at Citigroup here. This is a $137 billion financial services company. Take a look back, the October reaction high right to $5. It was on this breakout right here where we moved through $4.40. We indicated to our premier members through our daily market chatter email that Citigroup on this breakout looked like it could run all the way up to $5, and that's exactly what it did. In about 6 trading days, it broke through 440, ran all the way up to about 507 on the high on Thursday, and then reversed. But take a look here. We opened at 499. Looked like we might break through intraday. Take a look at the volume, very heavy volume on the day, and then we reversed. And this is a dark cloud cover candle. This is very typical type of candle that you will see at a top after an uptrend. So I think we got to be careful here. Now, the bullish side of things, number one, the MACD looks very strong. So momentum is still with the bulls, even though we have a reversing candle. Normally, the way I would look at this would be perhaps we'll see a 20-day test. Many times when you got the MACD continuing to move higher, when you pull back, you hold the 20-day, similar to what we did at the end of March. We got close in the middle of March, but we never went below the 20-day. Even on the way up here, as the MACD was about to cross the center line, you can see here we were holding the 20-day. So it's been a while since we've traded below it, with the MACD still looking strong. I don't know that I would look for a move any lower than, say, 440 to 450, maybe in that range, because this 20-day is moving up pretty rapidly. But I do think that there is the potential here for a pullback. We're very overbought. Many of the financials reversed today. The XLF, the ETF that tracks the financial group, also finished down for the day after trading higher. Looks like that might be getting a little tired. But hey, if we get a big volume breakout to the upside, you've got to be ready and prepared to keep your stops in play. But I would expect Citigroup here maybe to pull back to, like I said, the 440, 450 area, and then perhaps resume the uptrend. We'll need to take a look at the technicals at that time should it get that low. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestEdCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. And don't forget about our Tuesday event, Tuesday, April 20th, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Love to have you there. Check out the website and read about it. Happy trading.